In one of the videos, you talked about the data to ink ratio of Edward Tufte. Can you briefly explain for the people who don't know what that is? Because I think it's a powerful concept.
Yeah, for sure. So there's two types of ink we use in a visualization. There's ink used to show data, and then there's ink used to actually show the visualization. What we want to do is have as much ink showing data as possible and minimize the amount of ink we're using to show the visual. So what do I mean by that? Ink to show data, imagine bars, right? So you got bars in your chart. That's showing data. You might have lines in your chart to help you scan left to right what's on to the scale. But if we just put the number directly on the bar, we don't need the lines anymore, right? So we're increasing the data to ink ratio by minimizing the amount of non-data visuals or ink to represent it. Now, for me, there's a balance as well because there's also good design, and so we don't want to completely forbid non-data ink if it means the design is going to continually look very, very bland. And I do this myself. Many of my dashboards and visualizations look very bland because we want to highlight and draw attention, which is the purpose of the data to ink ratios. We want to draw people's attention when we need to. So there's huge value in doing that. But we do need to balance it with having some ink there so that it doesn't look completely bland. And that can just be font. It could just be, right, just how we size it, different placements, right? But still minimizing it. But yeah, that's in a nutshell, the data ink ratio exists so we can draw the user's attention to what really matters is the ultimate intent.